ginagawa mo?
Nagsa-sunscreen. Gusto mo ba?
Na, bata pa naman ako.
Skincare? Nakabase nga ba sa edad? Sabi nga sa Skincare Organization, men, women, and children over 6 months of age should use sunscreen every day. Pero bakit? Here are your 3 advantages while using skincare at an early age. Number 1, tatanda ka ng maaga. Hindi! It prevents premature aging. Early use of skincare products helps to prevent premature aging. Kung ayaw mong bata pa lang ay magkaroon ka na ng pekas at melasma, mag-sunscreen ka na. It can protect your skin from UV radiation and pollution. Number 2, it can prevent acne and breakouts. Kapag maaga pa lang ay gumagamit ka na ng mild cleanser, it can help prevent acne and breakouts. Tinatanggal nito yung mga excess oil and dirt na pwedeng mag-cause ng breakouts at hindi lumala in the future. Number 3, it can boost confidence. Kapag meron kang healthy skin, mas mataas yung self-confidence mo. Kapag naging routine mo na ang pag-skincare at an early age, pwede mo siyang madala hanggang sa pagtanda mo. Reminder, it's never too late to start caring for your skin. But kung maaga pa lang ay naalagaan mo na yung skin mo, it can contribute to a lifetime of healthy and radiant skin. If you want more skincare tips like this, follow for more!